Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the episode 02 Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10. Bank Nifty Trading Growth Like a Gardener. I am talking about this Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, guide you to trade with a consistent, time-tested, clear strategy that deliver consistent result. What you have to do, you have to just enter the data, couple of data over here. The first 15-minute open, high, low, close data every day, and your trading result is ready. What you have to trade, where to place stop loss target, everything will be ready with that. And I will show you exactly what to do. I will also show you a couple of trade example in front of you, and also I will discuss about the performance review December 2020. In the month of December, we had 19 trade and 19,550 profit, that is per lot profit we can earn if we follow this particular strategy. I will also show you detailed track record of the performance for the entire year. Remember, the track record you can download free. Check the descriptions link. Download the free guide that give you entirely detailed step-by-step process of how you can use this Excel sheet to trade Bank Nifty. Along with that, we have tracker included. You can check the track performance once you download the Excel. You can check the performance by your own, audit the performance. I always say you should check by yourself. It is completely transparent trading system, no ambiguity. You have to enter the data. If you have the same Excel sheet, you will get the exact same trade what we get. Everybody will get the exact same trade, and it is easy to track, monitor the past performance or to trade in future. So with that, I also briefly want to discuss about the trading philosophy we follow. As we mentioned, Bank Nifty trading growth like a gardener. What this growth like a gardener means, we believe we should practice the art of being good enough. What are your plans once a day? That means trade only once a day, but leave them to stand themselves up against the wind. Trade so well with a strategy as if it is an art. This is the philosophy we follow in Bank Nifty trading. And like a gardener or trader, we can't approach our work or trade with an overly structured agenda. Lot of people do trade based on a particular strategy that is so stiff, the and lack of flexibility, and because they have no idea what the weather will be, that the market conditions are always changing, and we need to approach the trading like a gardener who has a defined plan in their hand. So in this Bank Nifty Trading Pro, as you can see that once you have entered the data, you will have defined flexible plan, conditions 1, conditions 2, or conditions 3. As soon as you enter the data of the first 15 minutes, it gives you the conditions, the best possible way to approach the market. Also, it will give you the exact detail what you have to do, what to place buy order, where to place sell order, what will be your exit plan. Should you exit at the end of the market, or you will book profit? What will happen if the buy order has triggered? What happen if the sell order is trigger? Where is the stop loss? Everything clearly, consistently, it will provide you exact pinpoint data. Now let's comes to the performance. In the month of the December, we have 19 trade. The detail is here, you can see, and we have a very big trade this month, that is 798 point profit we had gained 21st December. I will show you one profitable trade, one losing trade, and one example with with this Excel sheet, so that it become very clear to you exactly what to do. As I mentioned, we had 782 point gain in the month of the December, and we are end of this expiry, and that is good enough profit, because you should have gained 19,550 rupees if you trade one lot basis. I have for you the intra-tax sheet for the year, for your audit. Now you can check the performance. You can ask this performance sheet. You can download the Excel. You can check all the data, performance, profit and loss, how much point, how much loss, everything with this Excel sheet, and you should audit before you start trading. Three-step process we want to you to follow. Step one, you should download and access this Excel sheet. I am talking about this Excel sheet, Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10. You should access this Excel sheet, and then according to the track sheet will be included with this Excel sheet. You should test, you should audit past performance by yourself using the trading view data. You will need to use this data of trading view, and once you are comfortable with, start your paper trading. This is step 2, 15 days of paper trading. Do test this Excel sheet in the live market regular basis at 9:30. You need just 2 minutes of your time. Do test your Excel sheet, how it generates trade and how you have to enter the trade. 15 days of paper trading, and you are ready to trade the bank nifty with a time tested method that is give you clear strategy and provide you consistent result. If I talk about the result, then as you can see, we have a total this from the month of early of this year. We have came, this is the result. This is without SAR, that means stop and reverse. That means in these conditions we do not reverse our trade if the stop loss is triggered. We also recommend for the aggressive trader to reverse the trade if the stop loss has triggered. In that case, your performance has increased a little bit, and you can check by yourself. The performance jumped from a total of 1,63,377.25 per lot profit to 2,10,032.50 profit if you use this SAR. That means if you reverse the trade once the stop loss has triggered, but it is not recommended for defensive or conservative trader. It is completely your choice. You can do both. Now I will show you how you can generate the trade. I will show you one of the profitable trade example and one of the losing trade example, as I mentioned earlier. In the December month, we have this trade. There was couple of days where we do not have trade. As you can see, like a gardener, we have different plan ready: plan A, plan B, plan C. Most traders lose money and become frustrated. We have a clear guidance what to do. That is flexible. Our plan is flexible. We do not approach the market in a rigid manner. We have plan A ready, plan B ready, plan C ready. Step by step, our plan is already ready. Now I will show you one of the most profitable trade this month. We have earned 798 point. That was on 21st December. I will show you exactly how you could have gained this profitable trade. Now for that, what you have to do is that you have to go to the trading view, and you have to set a 8-period exponential moving average. This is the 8-period exponential moving average, and this is the 21st. And what we have to do now, simply at 9:30 we have to enter the data. But data, just open high low close data and the 8-period exponential moving average data. How you will get that data? Simply you have to put your cursor, over the first 15-minute candle. Over the first 15-minute candle, you will put your cursor here and you will find the data here. When you will enter this data in this Excel sheet, you will enter the data in the Excel sheet when the first 15-minute candle will over. That means at 9:30. So you will place the cursor over here and you will enter the data, and then you will have to check what is the condition, this match conditions. As soon as you will enter the data, it will give you the conditions over here. Now let's see how we can do it. So the open of the first candle on the 21st December was 30375, was 30375, 375.00, and the high was 30597.75. Low was 30281.25, and the close was 30337.05. What was the 8 EMA value? The 8 EMA value was 30625.63. As I entered the data here, you can check. It clearly mentioned conditions 2. Yes, check conditions 2 tab. What it means? It means that you have to move to conditions 2 tab. This is the conditions 2 tab, and you will click over here and you can see that it is indicating that you have to place a buy order at 3601. You have to place a sell order at 3278. When you will place these two order, you will place these two order at 9:30. Now idea is that, as our philosophy is stay flexible, we don't take decisions whether we should go buy or short. We want market to decide. We place a bracket order, we place a buy order at 30601 that day as indicated by this Excel, and we place a sell order at 3278. Now, the moment one of these order will execute, the other order should act as a stop loss. You should not remove that order because that order will act as a stop loss. What will be your exit plan? The detailed exit plan is actually given automatically. Now the exit plan, if sale order is triggered, you should hold the trade till 3:15. It is clearly mentioned. If the sale order trigger, you will hold the trade till 3:15. If the buy order trigger, 30907 will be your target. Now, if you are a conservative and if you want to book profit and you don't feel comfortable holding the trade till 3:15, then you can book when your M2M will be 323. Details are laid down here. Now, as you can see that we have placed two order. Let's place two order here. Take a horizontal line here and we will place the sale order at 3278. Just a minute. So roughly around here it is 3278. It's a little bit. It's 3269, but if we adjust it a little bit, that's perfect. 3266. Oops. I believe that is 3276. At least I able to draw this line perfectly, and the 278, I agree with you. 3601, 601, and your stop 3601. So this should be your level. And just a minute, if I take a horizontal line, so roughly around these two order will be placed there. One is at 3276, that means 3278, sorry, and one is at 3601, that is 3603 here. A couple of points you will add as a buffer also. Now then check what's happened that day. Market approach to trigger the buy order, but didn't. The high of this candle was 3561. It didn't take the buy order. Instead, around 12:45, it's break the low. You are now shorted. As soon as you are shorted, these orders should act as a stop loss order. These order should act as a stop loss order. Once the order has been executed, you have to go through the exit plan. And this exit plan tells you that exit if sale order trigger, then hold the trade 315, exit at 315. That means you will hold the trade till the close. Now, target if buy order trigger, no questions, buy order didn't trigger, and this was your sale order, and this order will act as a stop loss throughout the day. As per plan, we have to hold the trade till 315, and around 315 you will close at the end of the market, that is around 29,440, a huge 700-point profit. It is a clear indications and clear detailed plan and guidelines that help you to consistently trade in this market. What's happened in earlier date? We have detailed tracker for you already. We regularly use this Excel to trade. We recommend this Excel can help you to clear all these ambiguity, complexity in the trading, and you can rely on this Bank Nifty Trading Pro Excel sheet that is time tested with clear strategy and give the consistent result. You can check every day, each of the day. Yes, there was profitable day, there was losing trade. There was a losing day of 230 point, and there was a recent loss of 291 point. Overall, this month we have gained 782 point, and you can check the performance of the entire year. That's very consistent. We had 3 losing months in this year, and you can take this Bank Nifty Trading Pro in your portfolio of strategy basket, but you should have a clear-cut trading strategy for Bank Nifty. I wish all the best. Happy New Year to everyone. Trade Bank Nifty like a gardener. Thank you so much for your time. I highly appreciate and value your time. Thank you so much.